like a movie, and it stops sometimes, and it like peels off, and this is part of the peeled off.
It peeled off.
And that music did something with it. I don't like it. Fuck, it made me really hot. And Trey did have something to do with it, but I don't know what. I feel weird. And that thing actually came into my trip, but I don't know how.
What?
But everybody's made out of these things. That's why I was trying to wipe stuff off. Because you were coming out. I don't know. It's like this, you know those gum things that have stories on them? That's what I feel.
Bazooka Joe.
Stop tripping down. I can't. Because I'm trying to explain it. It's so weird. And those things are gonna swim. A little bit. They're not swimming as much as they should because I'm kind of aware.
Wow.
Those ones are barking.
That was so funny. When we were sitting and she was off.
We brought the computer out and Kaylee was just like,
Oh.
just staring. She would not look and we couldn't like get it off because she was trying to
I
fix
feel like I was
it.
swimming
She
in a
was just like,
pool.
Try standing up.
Oops.
Whitney, try standing up.
Okay. This was weird. I thought I was standing up the entire time.
No. You lay down and you sat back up.
My name is on the list.
This is helping me stop tripping, I think.
The DJ's list.
Can't move my mouth, that's how I know I'm still tripping.
You're talking.
I know, I've been talking to this whole thing. It feels fucking good.